It's our hose pipe to fill it up. Whoa! Ooh, that was a good one. And now we take it to the max.
Under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee.
Hi, I'm Nathan. This is Nathan's station. I like to play, draw, make and explore. Today, we're going to poke these pencils through this bag once it's filled up with water. Because it has polymer in it, it will hopefully stop the water from spilling out when we poke these pencils through it. If the first one works, we can max it out. And if the maxed out one works, we can have a little bit of fun. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to pour the water, and the water is in the watering can. And we're going to do it all the way into here. Right, so we need to be careful to not let it go out. And I'm just excited to do the fun bit that I told you we're going to do. I'm just so excited. And I'm going to give you a clue. I might get a little bit wet. Now we're going to fill it back up. Right, now let's use our hose pipe to fill it up. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. I think that's good. Put that down. And now we can fill it up again. Right. We need to be careful again. Whoa, it's filling up. I think we might have got it high enough. And now we're going to pop one through at a time. Right, let's see. This works. Oh, okay, we got that one through. Whoa, it worked. Oh, okay. I think we did a little spill, but we stopped the spill. Okay, now we can push this one through. This black one might not work because it's not as sharpened as the other ones. Oh, it worked. We didn't know that was going to happen. Ooh, that was a good one. Now we're going to poke that one through. Well, how's that poked through? I think we got that side through. And this is a hard part. Ooh, that one's quite a good one too. Hey, these are the same, matchy. Right, now we need to poke this one through. Whoa. Now we've done that one through, we need to use this one and put this one through. Whoa, look, it's worked. Now we have done the first one, and now we take it to the max. And if this works, we're gonna have some fun, and we're gonna poke them through this big bin bag that is so ginormous. Now I'm gonna get the hose pipe. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. It's filling. Maybe, I think we need it a little bit higher. Let's see how many centimeters it is. You might not know what that word is, but 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. I think we're done. I think it's high enough. Now we're going to carefully pull this hose pipe out. Ooh. Now we're going to poke them through. We have to be really careful this time. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! A little drip, that's okay. Well, even though I'm wet, I'll be even more wet soon. And you might need to clean up if you do this. That's another clue. Guys, I'm giving you so many clues. By now, I'm sure you would have guessed what it is. And sometimes it doesn't work when you do it fast, but I've tried before and it didn't work, but now trying this worked. Right, okay, now we've done all of them. Now now we've done this, we can have a little bit of fun. 3, 2, 1. Break it, so I'm fully wet. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe!